Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to request a copy of your Discord data in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the user settings gear icon next to your profile name at the bottom left of Discord. In the left sidebar, select Data and Privacy to open the Data Management panel. Click the Request Data button to open the Submit Data Request modal. Tick the Account checkbox to include your account information in the data package. Click Request My Data to submit your request, and a confirmation modal appears letting you know your request has been received. Click OK to close the modal and return to the settings panel. Discord will email you a download link once your data package is ready. It usually takes around 30 days to process, so keep an eye on your inbox. The email comes from the address linked to your Discord account, so check your spam folder if you don't see it. You can only request your data once every 30 days, so if you need additional information, you'll have to wait until that window resets. If you want to include more than just your account data, you can tick multiple checkboxes in the request modal to add messages, activity logs, and other categories. And that's how to request a copy of your Discord data. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.